Hey, what's going on? This is Mickey from Santon Audio. I'm going to give you guys a quick little tutorial on how to use the AV system at 980 Broadview. So come along and try and make this as easy as possible. First thing you're going to need to do is grab the remotes from the security desk up front. You should have 3 remotes. This guy's for the Rogers cable, this guy is for the Sony AV receiver, and this guy is for the Sony TV. So first, hit this green button. Sony TV should pop on and go to the home screen, and the Sony receiver should pop on as well. This guy here is what's called a receiver. This is the brain of the system. It controls all the video and audio. Alright, so on this remote you'll see a bunch of different sources up here at the top. You've got the Blu-ray disc, DVD, satellite cable TV, the game input we've hidden for now, CD input we've hidden, USB, you've got a USB right here if you are so inclined to bring a USB key down and play that guy, and you've also got your FM radio. Let's say hypothetically we want to listen to the FM radio. You'd hit that guy right there, should take you to FM tuner, and bingo, we've got FM radio. Let's say hypothetically you want to watch, I don't know, a DVD. We don't have a DVD player plugged in, but if you did, this is where you would see it. Let's say hypothetically we want to watch Rogers TV. You would first grab your Rogers remote right here and aim it at the Rogers box, press power, it should turn on, and then you would switch the input on the receiver right here to cable or satellite cable TV, and then we should get
Montreal police are
satellite
investigating the
TV.
discovery of 3 bodies in a...
If you want to do Bluetooth, there's a button right here. Hold that down for a few seconds and it should, yeah, in theory my phone's connecting right now. There's 2 zones to this system. This is the main zone over here, zone 1, and zone 2 is over here. Zone 2. To control zone 2, there's a select button right here. So you hit that, zone 2 on, power on, and then zone 2, let's say we want to listen to, let's go FM tuner in zone 2, and we should hear FM radio in zone 2. Yeah, there we go. This guy is the volume knob. Turn it up, turn it down. In order to control the volume in zone 2, you gotta hit zone 2, and then you can turn it down over there, turn it up over there. As far as troubleshooting goes, the number one thing that you're going to want to be aware of, first, make sure the power's on. Make sure you've got the cable box power on, you've got the Sony receiver on, and you've got the TV. I mean, the TV only has to be on if you're watching something. It doesn't necessarily have to be on, but outside of that, make sure you've got the source knob turned to whatever it is that you're trying to watch or listen to. Make sure the volume's up. Those are all pretty good things. And outside of that, don't mess around with the back of it. Don't unplug it. A good go-to to make sure that like nothing is broken is throw it on the radio on a known channel. Like we're listening to the CBC right now. Throw it on the CBC 94.1. If you can't hear anything and the volume's up, you might have blown speakers. So you're gonna want to check that out. If you have any questions, give us a shout, 905-475-2038, and ask for Mickey or Chris. Thanks, we'll talk to you soon.